Hi, this is a review of Seven Figure Affiliate System by the program is by Michael Cheney, and this is a brand new system. And as you can see, as I'm going to start going through this, that you see down right here, these people are buying this right now. This course is really, really great. And the reason it caught my attention is you can generate up to $126,831.61 a month on autopilot. And it only requires 60 minutes a day. Well, that's really a big deal. So anyway, and then if you're going to buy it, you just come over to this page and click here, and it's only $9.95. And then I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get. In this page, you can go through it on your own time. There is a lot of information on this page. And like I said, you just come through here, click on $9.95 and add to cart after you go through my bonus page. So we'll go through all this in a minute. And now we're going to go over to my bonus page. And it says, for anyone looking to start, scale up, and grow your digital business in 2022. This is for anybody. Even if you're an affiliate marketer that's already making money, you are going to learn a lot in this course. I learned so much stuff. I was blown away at number 2 and number 3 of in the course. The new course reveals how to generate up 126,831.61 a month on autopilot using the secret affiliate system that runs on 100% free traffic, and that's awesome. And he does teach how to get all this free traffic right over the shoulder, part by part, which means no one having to create a product, fulfill services, run ads, or do anything customer service wise. Only requires 36 minutes a day. Generate new sales, customer sales on commissions 24/7 on autopilot. And in 5 days and 6 hours and 12 minutes and 3 seconds, my bonuses will disappear. So I don't want you to miss out on them. So you got to watch this timer. When that goes off, I will remove them. So they will be gone. So, and this explains to you that what the new figure affiliate system is. It's counterintuitive approach to creating and running scale in an online business that allows you to passively make up to 2,000 or more a day without hiring a staff, dealing with customer support, paying for traffic, or any other traditional BS that most business owners have to deal with. And you can go through this whole page up by yourself also. There's quite a lot in here to read. And anytime you feel you want to buy this, you can either click the link below this video. And if you came through my email, that's okay, that there will be a link below that so that you can click that, or just click here. You click on one of these links here, it's going to take you over to the sales page. And on the sales page, you just scroll down and then you click here. And that way you will get all of my bonuses, but you have to do it that way to get the bonus. Okay, so now we're going to look at the bonuses. I'm going to give you access to Headway for only $5.95. If you go anywhere else and you try to pick this up, it's going to cost you $197. This is by Trevor Carr, and this is really an awesome program which is going to help you with the seven-figure affiliate system. It's also going to add a lot more training, a lot more easy ways to get traffic, how to set up a website. If you've never set up a site, it shows you exactly how to do it, and really, really a great deal to do that. And the other one is Affiliate Secrets. You're going to start learning a lot more. That also goes hand in hand with the seven-figure affiliate system and what he teaches you in here, because you're going to learn secrets that only the big people use for you to start making $100 to $1,000 instant commissions. So you're going to get that here free from me. You're also going to get Traffic Armageddon, which I think is really, really something you really need, because yes, Michael Cheney teaches you in here how to get traffic and how to get free traffic. But I'm going to give you Traffic Armageddon, which is going to teach you how to learn how to multiply your kicks, but it's also going to teach you how the super affiliates are getting traffic. And there are actually super affiliates attending this traffic uh, learning session in here that you're going to see once you watch the videos. And they're asking questions and they're getting answers. So this is really worth picking up this today, and that will go with your purchase of the seven-figure affiliate system. And of course, as usual, you're going to get all the bonuses that Michael Cheney has given to me to give to you. You will also get them. They'll be in the members area once you purchase your product. And once you purchase your product, you go to Warrior Plus, and up here over in the right-hand corner, it will say purchases. You click on purchases, and then it'll tell you the name of the purchase, and you're going to click on Seven Affiliate System because that's what you bought. And then right here's a blue button down here. It says affiliate bonuses. You click on that, and your bonuses will automatically be delivered to you at that time. So anyway, what this is about is Michael Chaney is actually going to help you make money, and then he's teaching you also to make money, so eventually you can make money on your own. So this is just really a super system. And like I said, even on the core program, here we are in the members area, and I'm proving to you I bought this, and I actually bought all the upsells too, and I can't believe what I've learned in here. Um, Core modules. Riches are the niches. Now you gotta realize I can't open these because this is his livelihood and I'm gonna be giving away the secrets, so I can't do that. But riches are in the niches. That was really awesome. Where the money is and how to get it. This just blew me away. What to do. This was just super awesome, detailed, went into how to get the money, the easiest way to get the money, and how people are going to actually buy for you. The golden thread, this was a really another golden nugget really that I can't really go into this either, but this was awesome. Secret sales triggers. He goes into the exact same thing what he does to how he gets sales and makes money and win the sale by adding value. He expresses to you exactly how to do this over the shoulder videos, which are all very detailed over the shoulder. He goes step by step so you see exactly what he's doing. Produce the perfect promo. He explains to you exactly what you really need to do. Just like other affiliate marketers, they're just sending out old crappy emails. The same one's got the same email or where it connects to, and he teaches you the correct way to do this so that you can make the most money. And he teaches you how to turn on the traffic, which was really simple, and I was surprised. And he goes into depth about that too. And the secrets of a 7 super affiliate. This was awesome. I couldn't believe the stuff that in this module that I learned here. And I've been online a long time. I've been online over almost 20 years, and I learned a lot of stuff in here. And I also picked up the first there's a first thing that you can get that's how he teaches you how he shows you exactly he goes right through it how he made $500,000 with one campaign and he goes through the whole campaign and shows you the whole thing and I picked that up and that was only 17 bucks and that was just such an eye opener for me. I was just I was overwhelmed. I couldn't believe it. And things I didn't even know after I've been online all this time. So, yes, like I said, you can go through this whole page by yourself. There is a lot on here and a lot to see, and everything that he explains to you. And that it's like I said, it's even the big affiliate marketers are taking this training from him. So don't feel like you're dumb or stupid or that there's that's not the reason this is here. It's here for you to learn. He wants to help people, and he does it in such a way that anybody can understand it and anybody can do it. So I wouldn't even hesitate about getting this. So, like I said, before the timer runs down, you got to go ahead and click on any of these green buttons so that you can go over to the um, actual sales page. And then just scroll down and click on this button here, and that'll take you to the members area where you purchase your product. And also, these are the upsells, and there are no downgrades. So I'm letting you know if you pass them up, you're not going to get them. This is copy click commissions. Excuse me, 15 done for you campaigns. They just copy and paste and make money with everything written and tested me and grateful approval on the products. This is really a no-brainer to get from him, and I picked it up. The copy click campaigns, 10 ready-made customizable affiliate campaigns that you can use to promote with product in any niche and training and how to do it. I looked at these. They're super nice. So if you're interested in them, go ahead and get those. Battle tested bonus ball. 7 done for you bonuses that you can use in-depth training, how to use them and create your own. Um, these bonuses were really awesome bonuses. So if you're interested in that, you don't have bonuses of your own or know how to do this, I would suggest you get this. It'd be worth your while. And 7-figure marketing vault, case studies and walkthroughs of our best affiliate campaigns. This I also picked up. This was very informative. And like I said, there's lots of stuff in here I learned that I had no clue. And I've been online for forever here. So, and 7-figure affiliate marketing masterclass, 50 minutes pure content recorded for the high ticket clients. This was an awesome, awesome um, training experience for me. So if you're interested in like them, like I said, there will be no downsells. Whatever you see is what it is. If you pass it, get it. And you can't get it later. So if you pass it up, you're just not going to be able to get them. So um, I would go ahead and pick this up if I were you. I think it's an awesome program. Like I said, in all the modules that he does here. All these modules are in depth. He teaches them all. He goes right along everything and shows you exactly what he does to make all this money. And it was just a really great learning experience for me. So if you're interested in seven-figure affiliate system, just click the link below this video, or if you're in my email, click that link, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the button. So I'll see you in the next one, and everybody have a great day and stay safe.